Hi, it's Matt from Excel Pro PC, and today I'm going to be taking you through the disassembly of a Kurio 10S. This is model number C13300, and it's a 10-inch tablet. I think this is aimed at kids, so right, let's get on with it. There are 4 screws in the side of this tablet to remove. There is one there, and one there, and right around the other side, exactly the same places, one there, and one there as well. So let's start with removing those. That's one. And that is 2. And let's flip it around. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that one seems to be stuck in there. Doesn't seem to grip when I'm trying to take it out. That one's come out there. Just bear with me. Let's see if we can grab this screw out without breaking everything. When in doubt, a very large magnet may help us here. No, that is stuck in there. So what I'm going to do anyway, I'm going to go around the outside and open this, and hopefully we can just pry that out at a later time. So you're going to need one of these tools here, or you can use a standard spudgers, but I quite like this plastic one here. So I'm going to start round about up the top and just pry it open like so. Just work your way around slowly. So we might have trouble here, obviously, because we've got a screw still in there, which is refusing to come out. What I'm hoping is that basically I can just pry it out anyway. So yeah, we're just working our way around. Now, don't be frightened when you're doing this. It does take a bit of pressure to get these back plates off sometimes. The plastics can be quite tough. Right, here we go. So I still obviously have my problem with the screw that's still inserted. See if we can. We've got a bit more traction on there now. Yep, we are good there. We decided it wanted to come out after all. Okay. And that is how we open the Kurio 10S, model number C13300. Even if you do have a stubborn screw that's trying to spoil your fun and games. That's Matt. My name's Matt from Excel Pro PC. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you see, subscribe, like, press the like button, or if you didn't like what I did today, just press the dislike button. We do about 3 videos a week here on this channel, various tech things, and that is all for now. Thank you very much.